Hello everyone, I am Devranjani from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to restore mobile data from Gmail account. First, go to Settings and tap on Google. Then click on Manage your Google account and then go to Data and Personalization. Scroll down till you find Download, Delete or Make a Plan for your data option. Click on Download your data and select your browser. Then you can see the option of Create a new export, and under that you can select the products whose data you want to download. You can also deselect the options you don't want. Then click on Next Step. There you can see the various delivery method. Here I am selecting the option of via email. Then you can select whether you want to export once or every 2 months for 1 year. Then you can also select the file type and size. Next, click Create Export and wait for a few minutes. You will receive a mail in Gmail, Google Takeout. Click on it. Then click on Download your files and select your browser. Log into your Gmail account and click on Download. To back up your data, go to Settings, then tap on Google. Now scroll down till you find the option of Backup, and here you can see the option of Backup now. Click on it to back up your data. And also you can restore your data. Scroll down and select Setup and Restore. You can select Restore your contacts and also select the Gmail account whose contacts you need to restore. And also click on Current Device to restore your data. You can also set up a nearby device and restore your data from that device. And that's it. If you want to know more details, please check out our Gossipfunda blog. The link to the blog is given in the description box below. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe.